Hi guys, whenever we log our computer or laptop, here we find an error message. A connection audio device could not be found. The application will now exit. It is because of wrong selection of drivers of audio device, and this error message can be removed from your computer very easily. It's not a tough job. To remove this message permanently from your laptop or PC, you should go to Start menu and type services.msc to open services dialog box. Yes, I am typing here services.msc. It will open services apps for your laptop or computer, and all the services which are running in your computers has been opened now, and you should find connection to utility services here. I am finding there. Yes, this is connection utility services. Double click to open it. For stopping these services, because I have installed connection audio device, and here I will disable services for connection driver. Apply OK, and it has stopped services for my wrong installed connection driver. After pressing the apply button, services for connection audio drivers has been disabled now. And one thing more, to reassure that whether these services are stopped or not, I should again right click on connection utility services to stop the services of connection audio drivers. Now all things have been done. Now I am going to restart my laptop to see whether this message is coming again or not. Let's see, I am restarting my laptop. It has been restarted now, and you see that there is no any message. Yes, there is no any error message of connection audio drivers. Thanks for viewing this video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.